In the beginning, machines were nothing more than tools, extensions of human hands and minds. But in the mid-20th century, something extraordinary began to stir. A new dream emerged, a dream of creating a machine that could think. This was the birth of artificial intelligence. The story of AI doesn't start with silicon chips or neural networks. It starts with imagination. For centuries, philosophers wondered, can a machine possess intelligence? Can thought exist without life? But it wasn't until 1950 when one man, Alan Turing, a British mathematician and codebreaker, gave this question a scientific face. Turing proposed something revolutionary, the Turing test, a simple yet profound idea. If a machine could converse so convincingly that a human couldn't tell it apart from another human, then that machine could be called intelligent. With that thought, the seed of artificial intelligence was planted. By 1956 at Dartmouth College, a small group of scientists gathered for what would become a historic moment. They believed that every aspect of learning or intelligence can be precisely described and simulated by a machine. That summer workshop marked the official birth of artificial intelligence, and the term AI was coined by John McCarthy, one of the founding fathers of this new field. In those early days, optimism was sky high. Computers were learning to play chess, solve mathematical puzzles, and even translate languages. It felt like the future was just around the corner. Machines would soon match human intellect. But reality struck hard. By the 1970s, AI faced its first great winter. The technology wasn't ready. Computers were too slow, data was scarce, and funding began to dry up. Scientists had promised too much too soon. The world moved on, and artificial intelligence seemed to fade into obscurity. But ideas never truly die, they evolve. In the 1980s and 1990s, AI found new life through machine learning. The concept that computers could learn from experience instead of being explicitly programmed. Algorithms like neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain began to take shape. Still, it wasn't until the 21st century, with massive data, powerful GPUs, and the rise of the internet, that the true potential of AI was unleashed. The machines began to see, hear, and understand the world around them. From IBM's Deep Blue defeating world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997, to Google's AlphaGo conquering the ancient game of Go in 2016, AI had come a long way. What once took years of manual programming could now be achieved through data training and adaptive algorithms. The dream of intelligent machines was no longer fantasy, it was reality. Today, artificial intelligence shapes our everyday lives, from the phones in our pockets to the cars we drive, from diagnosing diseases to writing music and poetry. It is the invisible force driving the modern world, yet with great power comes great responsibility. As AI grows smarter, humanity faces new questions. Who controls the algorithms that control our lives? Can machines have consciousness? And how far should we go in the pursuit of artificial minds? Some see AI as humanity's greatest achievement, a step toward a new age of enlightenment. Others warn it could be our biggest threat, a Pandora's box we can never close. The truth perhaps lies somewhere in between. From Alan Turing's bold vision to the algorithms that power today's world, artificial intelligence is no longer just a field of study. It's the story of human ambition, creativity, and curiosity. A story still being written line by line, code by code. This is the birth of artificial intelligence and the dawn of a new era for humankind.